Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Lee and I'm coming to you guys today with another video. Today I am going to be cooking with you guys. I'm going to be cooking lasagna. So if you guys want to see how I cook my lasagna, then let's just hop right into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the type of meat that I'm going to use today with the lasagna, and it's ground turkey by Butterball. I'm also going to show you the sauce that I use, which is the ragu sauce. So everything is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just going to allow you guys to watch everything that I like to do. So I'm going to show you guys everything I use in the video as well. So if you guys like lasagna, let me know down in the comment section. If you guys have any video suggestions or anything you guys would like me to cook on my channel, just let me know and I will take that into consideration. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the video and see how everything turned out. Okay, so this is what the lasagna is looking like. It looks so good and it smells really good also. The lasagna was so good. I just want to thank you guys for tuning into my video, and I will see you guys on the next one.